guys, it's me, That American Kid, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to replace and switch your own 1964 G.I. Joe heads. So here, if you've seen in the previous videos about the 1964 G.I. Joe Action Soldier review, and the part in my G.I. Joe collection review, and I'll put all those link in description below, part 1, 2, and 3 for the collection video, and the Action Soldier review. But so today, if you read the title, you'll know that I'm going to be teaching you guys how to switch the heads on your G.I. Joe figures. So here we have a 1964 flocked-haired G.I. Joe snow combat figure. As you see, he's got the jumpsuit, and he's got the flocked hair, which is actually a really cool little piece right there. And here we have the 1964 G.I. Joe Action Soldier all stripped down, so that you can see all the parts that you need to see for switching the heads. So first, what you want to do when switching the heads, take whichever soldier you want. I'll go with the Action Soldier, and you want to his head. You can only do this with the original figures, not the anniversary edition, because the anniversary editions have plastic heads. This has a rubber head, so you can actually squeeze it a little bit, as you can see right there. So what you want to do, you can literally just hold tight to the neck post right here with your hand, and just try and pull it off. You might have to do some squeezing. This can be kind of challenging, but you can get it eventually. Alright, now if you get it out far enough, you'll start to see this little post inside. You can just easily pull that off, and there you have the head post that keeps the head sturdy. So let's put this head aside right there, and put this figure aside right here, and let's begin on this figure. Alright, so let's take the soldier, and I'll take off his little jumpsuit right here, so you guys can get a better look at him, in case there's anything else you guys might want to see, or any fixtures that you guys need to fix on yours. I don't know, but let's just take off his jumpsuit. As you can see, this figure is a little broken. He's got a cracked knee. Both knees are cracked. He had a cracked elbow, but I fixed it with just some super glue. And his leg is cracked. Obviously, this figure has had a lot of wear and tear, but it's just a pretty good figure. Yeah, but it's so disappointing how people sometimes treat these figures, because that's obviously not a crack. They don't just crack like that. Someone obviously just cut him with a knife or something. And there's a hole right there that's probably been poked with a tack right there. But, there's little ink right there on the thigh ball. And overall, his feet look like they were replaced at one point in time, but they're starting to come out. Just put them back in there. So let's just I'll just tell you guys how to take this off. Alright, so it's just like the other one. This one I think will be a little easier, because it's just his head is a little more loose, I think. But the rubber is more stiff than that rubber over there, so it might be a little harder to take off the head. But see, we already see the post. So you just take that off, and there you go. The head is off of the figure, and we are ready to replace them. Alright, so now that we have the heads off, this is the easy part where you actually replace them. And one more thing, this is a little off topic, but when I was talking about the cracks on this guy over here, the cracks are really easy to fix. You can just use some Elmer's glue or super glue to fix up those cracks. They will be visible, but they won't like crack any more than they already are at the time you super glued them. Alright, so we have this figure, the flocked-haired figure, with the action soldier figure's head. Make sure the head is on straight, like, because this would be sideways, this would be backwards, because you don't want to get the stringing inside that makes this thing able to move like it does. You don't want to tangle that up, so just pop the head on like this, just nothing special, just put it on, and make sure that it goes right in. This might take a little bit of time, but trust me, this is the easy part. Alright, we got the head in. Now we can put that head on this figure. Alright, so we have the head. Let's grab the figure. And let's look at this figure. Overall, this figure just has a few scratches on the leg, as you can see right there. Might be, kind of looks like a fingerprint. I don't know why that's like that. Hope you guys can see it. It's right there. It's kind of weird, but yeah, I guess it's fine. Okay, so you just, as we did, just take the head, make sure this is on straight, and just pop the head right there, and push it down. Kind of go at an angle so that it can like go underneath one of the little clips, or the thing that holds it in. So we got the back part, as you can see right there. We just gotta get the front part in, and like that. It was a very subtle pop, but it did pop the littlest bit. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial on how to fix your own G.I. Joe heads on your figures. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to smack that like button, turn on post notifications so you can be notified of every one of my new videos, and like and comment. In the comment section down below, tell me what you thought of this video and if you want to see more. And like the video if you liked it. I don't really care. So, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.